Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Ethan Mitchell and today we're going to do a point of interest comparison between DJI's Waypoint 2.0 and Litchi. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is a follow-up to the previous video I did with Waypoint 2.0 and the Anafi's flight plan. If you'd like to see that, you can click right here. In the previous test, we saw that Waypoint 2.0 had some difficulty with smooth footage when moving around a point of interest. So today we're going to focus on this area with each platform. Using Waypoint 2.0 and Litchi, I have set up two missions, both with a single point of interest. Both missions will have 4 waypoints that arc around the point of interest. The first mission is set to a distance of 150 feet away from the point of interest, and the second mission is set with a distance of 900 feet away from the point of interest. We are also going to test these missions using multiple drones. Now Waypoint 2.0 is only available on the Mavic 2, but we're going to use Litchi using the Mavic 2 Pro, Mavic Pro Platinum, and the DJI Spark. So first let's watch some footage and then we will go over the settings. Okay, first up, Waypoint 2.0 at 150 feet with the Mavic 2. Okay, now let's take a look at Litchi with the Mavic 2. Okay, let's take a look at the Mavic Pro Platinum. Now let's take a look at the Spark. Okay, there are some interesting results with that group. Waypoint 2.0 and Litchi both performed very similar and both had difficulty with shaky footage in the pan axis. Now let's run the same type of mission and push back to 900 feet, which will give us a much larger arc. First up, Waypoint 2.0 with the Mavic 2. Okay, now let's move on to Litchi with the Mavic 2. Now the Mavic Pro Platinum. And finally, the spark. So what did you think? There's some differences between Waypoint 2.0 and Litchi, but I have to give it to Litchi. Both had issues at close range, and both did much better with a larger distance, but Litchi still did a better job with smooth footage. So let's briefly go over the settings. For Waypoint 2.0, I had the route set to arc and increase the radius as much as possible. All waypoints were set to the point of interest. In Litchi, I had the route set to curve and increase the radius as much as possible. Each waypoint was set to focused point of interest. The speed on both was set to 8 miles per hour. So here are my final thoughts. I must say I really wanted to like Waypoint 2.0 just because it's native to the DJI Go 4 app. Unfortunately, it has some issues that I would like to see resolved. My biggest issue, aside from the shaky footage, is you have to be connected to the drone to plan a mission, which is very inconvenient. Another issue is there is no online backup, so if you have to reinstall the Go 4 app, all your missions will be lost. This is something to consider if you're using it for commercial work. This is where Litchi becomes very powerful. Using Litchi, you can plan a mission from any device that has internet access. Once you arrive to your location, simply open Litchi and load the mission and you're off. You can even fly the same mission with any DJI drone on any device. This is great for companies that have multiple drones that have to fly the same route. As far as mission features go, Litchi has a few more, but both are very similar. Waypoint 2.0 is slightly easier to navigate, but both are very easy to set up once you get familiar with the app. So there it is, Waypoint 2.0 and Litchi. Both do a great job, and I really hope DJI will improve Waypoint 2.0. The shaky footage can probably be fixed with a firmware update, but offline planning and mission backup is a must for professionals. I will say my biggest wow moment in testing was using Litchi with the Spark. I was really blown away how well the Spark did with a Waypoint mission. Now granted, the footage is pretty shaky, but I was still impressed this little drone was able to execute a Waypoint mission as well as it did. If you have any questions or anything you'd like to add, please leave a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.